Module 1. Basics of Banking. Introduction. Banking is an important part of the financial system, helping individuals, businesses, and governments manage money efficiently. Banks connect people who save money with those who need loans, ensuring the smooth flow of funds in the economy. Definition of banking. Banking refers to the services provided by financial institutions, including accepting deposits from people and businesses, lending money to individuals and organizations, offering financial products and services that support economic development. Functions of banking. 1. Primary functions. Accepting deposits. Banks accept savings, current, and fixed deposits. Lending money. Banks provide loans such as personal, agricultural, and business loans. 2. Secondary functions. Agency services. Handling payments, money transfers, and investments. Utility services. Offering locker facilities, debit or credit cards, and online banking. Types of bank accounts. Savings account, for individuals to save money and earn interest. Current account, for businesses to manage frequent transactions. Fixed deposit, a high-interest deposit held for a fixed period. Recurring deposit, a savings plan with regular monthly deposits. Role of banking in the economy. Encouraging savings. Provides secure places to save money. Facilitating payments. Enables smooth financial transactions like transfers and payments. Providing credit. Offers loans for agriculture, industry, and trade to support economic activities. Types of banks. Commercial banks. Provide a range of banking services, example, like SBI, HDFC. Cooperative banks. Focus on rural and small businesses. Regional rural banks, RRBs, serve rural and agricultural areas. Central bank. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, which regulates all banks. Key banking terms. Interest. The cost of borrowing money or the return on deposits. CRR, cash reserve ratio. The percentage of a bank's deposits required to be maintained as reserves with the RBI. SLR, statutory liquidity ratio. The proportion of funds banks must maintain in government securities or cash. Digital banking. With the use of technology, modern banking offers easy access to services. Online banking. Manage accounts through the internet. Mobile banking. Access services via mobile apps. UPI, Unified Payments Interface, instant money transfer system. Importance for BC or BF. Business correspondents, BCs, and business facilitators, BFs, play a key role in extending banking to underserved areas. They provide basic banking services in rural and remote locations. Educate people about the benefits of banking. Help with account opening, deposits, and loan distribution. Let's check difference between do's and don'ts. Do's. 1. All accounts shall be enrolled at BC Point with Aadhaar and biometric authentication. Don'ts. 1. The BCAs should not collect any service charges for transactions directly or indirectly from the customers. Do's. 2. The passbook issuance is only to be done at branch level. Don'ts. 2. BCAs is not authorized to carry renewal of any FDORTD. Do's. 3. All existing accounts shall be seated with Aadhaar, PAN or Form 60 and mobile number. Don'ts. 3. BCAs is not authorized to close, transfer any FDORTD. Do's. 4. The number and number of transactions do happen at BC points are displayed, customers to read carefully before doing any transactions at BC Point. Don'ts. 4. BCAs is not authorized to use bank seal. Do's. 5. All transactions shall be recorded in the register along with signature of the customer. Customer is required to hand over accept cash only after putting their acknowledgement in the cash register. Don'ts. 5. BCAs can't carry manual entry in the passbook of customer. Do's. 6. No deposit or withdrawal slip is to be used for transaction at BC Point. Don'ts. 6. The BCAs is not vested with any powers for sanction of any loan. There should not be any exploitation of ill-informed people. BCAs must not give any scope for customer complaints and grievances affecting the image of the bank. Do's. 7. No discrimination shall be on the basis of caste, religion and community. Don'ts. 7. There should not be any criminal record or adverse reports against BC as. Do's. 8. Basic banking services as per bank's norms should be made available to all eligible citizens. Don'ts. 8. Do not use any subcontracts unless and otherwise stipulated in the service level agreement. Do's. 9. BCAs shall invariably maintain customer confidentiality. Don'ts. 9. Do not resort to intimidation or harassment of any kind, either physical or verbal, against any person in their NPA recovery efforts or any services to customers. Do's. 10. BCAs should possess sound knowledge of bank schemes, policies, local area and language. Don'ts. 10. Do not charge the customers for any transaction or providing any help. Do's. 11. BCAs shall adhere to all the terms and conditions of the agreement executed with their respective CBCs or SPs. Don'ts. 11. Do not exploit customers. Do not solicit or extract any favor in return for services you provide in cash or kind. Do's. 12. All registers viz. Deposit, withdrawal, transfers, savings bank account enrollment, RD or term deposit account enrollment, social security schemes, cash. Don'ts. 12. Do not give an impression that you are a benefactor of a customer. You are doing your duty. Do's. 13. Balance register, visit register, etc., shall be duly maintained. Don'ts. 13. BC is not authorized to do informal borrowing or lending. Do's. 14. System-generated online transactions receipt shall be issued to the customer invariably for all transactions carried out by him or her on behalf of the bank. Don'ts. 14. Do not mix up personal money with banks or customers' money. Do's. 15. BCA or BCs should perform day-end and settlement as per the terms and keep the cash requirement both at BC outlet and transit within the threshold limit as prescribed by the bank. Don'ts. 15. Do not keep large amounts of cash for long period. 16. Do not leave the cash or terminals in unsafe places. 17. Do not keep customers' card or passbook or customers' copy of transactions with you. 18. Do not be affiliated to any political religious organizations. Summary: banking plays a key role in the financial system by helping people save money, providing loans, and supporting economic growth. Banks act as a bridge between savers and borrowers, ensuring a steady flow of money in the economy. Key points: primary functions: accepting deposits and providing loans. Types of accounts: savings, current, fixed deposits, and recurring deposits. Types of banks: commercial banks, cooperative banks, regional rural banks, RRBs, and the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, as the central bank. Digital banking. Modern tools like online banking, mobile banking, and UPI make banking accessible and efficient. Banking terms. Concepts like interest, CRR, SLR, and KYC are fundamental to understanding banking operations. Business correspondents, BCs, and business facilitators, BFs, mastering these basics is essential to promote financial inclusion, assist underserved communities, and contribute to rural and semi-urban economic development by effectively delivering banking services, educate customers, and support financial literacy in their regions.